Morning traders, Nick Mastandrea, Market Tea Leaves, here to bring a daily market bias video for Wednesday, November 24th. It's exactly 5 minutes to 7 a.m. in the East Coast. My apologies to everyone for the tardy arrival of this. Unfortunately, we had some technical issues that need to be resolved early this morning. It is the day before Thanksgiving, so happy Thanksgiving to all of you out there. And if we were to take a look at the overnight session in Asia, Asia is trading mixed, if you will. Mainly to the downside, with the exception of the Hang Seng and the Shanghai exchanges, which are trading higher at this particular time. Currently, right now in Europe, and its current ongoings, Europe is open trading. Up until a little while ago, all of Europe was trading to the downside, with the exception of the London FTSE exchange. That is starting to change now, because now the Milan exchange is also diving into positive territory as well. If we were to take a look at the market correlation as it stands, U.S. dollars trading higher. The bonds themselves are trading higher. In fact, the entire bond universe is trading to the upside. The S&P, Nasdaq, Dow Jones Industrial Average all point to a lower open. Gold is trading higher. Up until a little while ago, I believe it was trading lower. Crude oil is trading lower. Now, if we were to take a look at economic news we have in the docket today for the U.S. markets, folks, I've been doing this for quite some time now. This newsletter has been around since I believe 2012, maybe a bit earlier than that. I have never seen a day where we had about 16 economic reports in one day. And today we do. We have approximately 16 or 17 different economic reports that are out in one day. And the reason for this is very simply because tomorrow is Thursday, it is Thanksgiving. The markets are closed, so what they're doing is they're moving up all those economic news reports that would have been released tomorrow is being released today. So, at 8:30 a.m. we have preliminary GDP. We also have core durable goods, unemployment claims, which is typical and usual for a Thursday, is now being released today on a Wednesday. Goods trade balance, preliminary GDP price index, preliminary wholesale inventories. These are all pretty much major, if you will. Many of them are proven market movers. At 10 a.m. we have core PCE price index. We have revised University of Michigan consumer sentiment. We also have revised University of Michigan inflation expectations. These are not major because they are revised numbers, and there's always greater weight associated with preliminary as opposed to revised. We also have new home sales. Again, major, proven market mover. We have personal income, personal spending, major. At 10:30 a.m. we have crude oil inventories, which is usual for a Wednesday. At 12 noon we have natural gas storage, which again is usually released on a Thursday. Also, to top everything off, we at 2 p.m. this afternoon we have the FOMC meeting minutes. Again, this is major and a proven market mover. All this being said, a bias is to the downside, and the reason why I'm suggesting a downside bias, gold is trading higher. U.S. dollars trading higher. The bonds are trading higher. This does not bode well for an upside day, hence our bias is to the downside. The S&P, Nasdaq, Dow Jones Industrial Average all point to a lower open. Could this change? Absolutely. Anything is possible in the volatile market. Just as a footnote, we will not be having a new edition of Market Tea Leaves until next Monday. Again, due to the Thanksgiving holiday. The markets will be closed tomorrow. However, I do believe on Friday we will have an abbreviated session. We don't usually cover abbreviated sessions. We cover full sessions. So the next edition will be Monday. But we do want to wish all of you a very happy and safe Thanksgiving holiday. Thank you and take care.